Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers, or you can grow weeds. Don't count the days, make the days count. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. Your success is determined by your daily agenda. Don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. Change is inevitable. Growth is optional. The biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand. We listen to reply. Don't wait for the right opportunity. Create it. The best way to predict the future is to create it. It's not the load that breaks you, it's the way you carry it. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.